Hey everybody, Dan here from Keystone Wood Specialties Cabinet Refacing Training Classroom. As the cost of everything has increased, a traditional kitchen remodel may be out of reach for many family budgets. That's where cabinet refacing comes in. With cabinet refacing, you can give your customers many different options to update the look of their kitchen at a fraction of the cost. If you're a kitchen remodeler and you don't currently offer cabinet refacing, Keystone Wood Specialties can help you out. We offer a full-day cabinet refacing training class in which you'll learn proven industry methods for surface preparation and veneer application, options for corner treatment, end panels, and cabinet bottoms, best practices for applying crown molding, touch-up techniques, and solutions to common problem areas. If you're interested in expanding your current offering to add cabinet refacing, please give us a call and we will schedule at the next available class. The number is 717-299-6288.